Hello, I'm Jonathan, and today I'm going to do my midterm syntax project. The topic is part of speech and diagram, and I'm Jonathan Amiro. So, what is syntax? Syntax is the study of how words combine to form grammatical sentence. It involves rules and structures that govern sentence formation. Uh, what are part of speech? Parts of speech are categorized that describe the function of words in sentences. They help us understand how words work together. Okay. A major part of speech is the noun, uh, labeled with an, pronoun labeled with pro, maybe sometimes just p. Oh no, P is preposition. Anyway, pronoun as pro, verb as v, adjective as adj, and adverb as adv, and then preposition as p, conjunction as conj, and interjection as ent. That's the major parts. So here's nouns and pronouns. Nouns is the object like name of people, places, and things, like cat or city or myself, Jonathan, like that. And pronouns is replaces nouns like he, she, it, yeah, you know. Then verbs. Verbs show action or state of being. Example, run is become. Yeah. Example, run is and become. They are essential for predicate structure. Yeah, like he is running or he is become running. No, actually it's wrong. Actually, never mind. Anyway, next slide. Adjective and adverbs. Adjective modifies nouns like big, blue. Yeah, that. Adverbs modify verbs, adjective, or other adverbs like quickly, very. Yeah. Then preposition and conjunctions. Prepositions show relationship. Example, in, on, under. Yeah. In, on the box, under the table. Yeah, like that. Conjunction links words as clauses together, like and, but, because. Yeah. And then examples in sentence. Sentence: the big dog barked loudly. The noun is dog, the adjective is big, the verb is bark, the adverb is loudly, and determined is the. Like this is simple tree diagram. Oh. Yeah, sorry if it's too small. Anyway, as we can see here, this like it's divided into noun, verb, and NP and P, and then the NP is divided by 3 again to determine that. And the anyway, let's just skip this because I cannot see this. Okay, let's go to for sentence. Sentence 1. The subject is the book. Subject is the book, where the subject is the book, where the is a determiner and book is a noun. Like noun that modified by relative clause that was recommended by the professor. And the word that function as complement or something like that, if I reckon correctly. Yeah. And yeah, like yeah, the word that function as a complement, as a complementer that introduce that inter that introduct introduction introducing yeah, so that introducing a clause, yeah, clause where the book is the object of verb recommended, like that. Yeah, object of verb recommended. Yeah, the clause inside the clause, recommended inside the clause, and what's recommended is passive verb phrase, and was the auxiliary, was as auxiliary, and recommended as main verb in past participle. By the professor is prepositional phrase that identify the agent or something like that. Main verb phrase has been the main verb phrase has been borrowed by several students. Yes. Yeah, has been borrowed is a perfect passive construction and by several studies give the agent in the passive voice. Yeah, kind of like that. Yeah, I think that. Anyway, the second sentence. Although the match was delayed due to rain, the players continue their warm-up routines. The sentence starts with a subordinate sentence. Oh, sorry, I mean clause. Subordinate clause introduced by although. Yes, subordinate by although. And in the clause, the match was delayed due to rain. The match is the subject of the noun phrase, and was delayed is a passive verb phrase, and due to rain is the prepositional phrase. It's showing cause, and the main clauses is the player continued their warm-up routine. Yeah, the main clause. Yeah, the main clause is the player continued their warm-up routines. The players is the object. The players is the object. I'm sorry, I mean, wait. No, this is subject, not the object. It's the subject. Continued is in the main verb, and their warm-up routine is the direct object. Yes, like that. Like the whole sentence is this whole sentence is split into two ideas. like the delay and the continuation of warm up, like that. Yeah, maybe. Uh, then the sentence. The new regulation were announced by the government after the economy showed signs of instability. The subject is the new regulations where new is adjective modifying the noun. Yes. The new regulation when new is an object modifying the noun. Where is it? Yeah. So it's modifying the noun. New is adjective modifying the noun. The verb phrase were announced by government is passive. I mean passive. Yeah. Where auxiliary verb, nouns, past participle, and by the government is prepositional phrase identifying the agent. Yes. Then we have what do we have? Oh yeah, the time clause. Time clause is after after the economy was showed sign of instability. Yes. And in that clause, the economy is supposed to be the subject, and showed is a verb, and sign of instability is subject of noun phrase of instability is a propositional phrase modifying signs, kinda like that. Yeah. Yeah. Of instability, PP, propositional phrase modifying signs. Yeah. Anyway, sentence. The man who was arrested last night had been hiding in the abandoned warehouse for weeks. I know a bit about this, so I don't have to think maybe. So the main subject is the man, modified by a relative clause, who was arrested last night, who introduced the clause and function as the subject. Was arrested is a passive phrase, and last night is temporal noun phrase, acting as an verb. The main verb phrase is had been hiding. It's in the past perfect progressive tense. Then what? Yeah, we have two propositional phrase in the abandoned warehouse, showing location, and for weeks indicating a duration. And abandoned. Abandoned is adjective modifying warehouse. Yes. Anyway, last sentence, the fifth sentence. The big girl saw Eliza with a lovable panda recently. The subject is the big girl, with big as an adjective modifying girl, and the main verb is saw, and the direct object is other, a proper noun. Following that is a professional phrase. Yeah, following that is a professional phrase with a lovable panda is a prepositional phrase, and it's a noun phrase. The lovable noun phrase, the lovable panda is noun phrase, and lovable is an adjective modifying panda, and we have the adverb recently, which modifies the entire verb phrase to indicate time. Yes. Yeah. Anyway, that's all my presentation. Thank you. See you later.